Hey, fishing friends, welcome back to eFishin. I'm Rodney. Well, today it's a Sunday afternoon after church, and it's kind of nice this afternoon, so I figured I'd come out here and take this Vexus out and take it for a little spin. We got it back a couple days ago, so we're giving it a try, and we're going to see what happens. We're just going to fish this local lake. It's a idle only lake and can't really get up and run around anything, but it's good to get out. Anyways, let's go fishing. So we're going to start out with a square bill today. We've got mid 50-degree water temperatures, about a 5 to 10 mile an hour wind, and a little bit of stain in the water. So let's see what happens. There we go. How's that one? Fish. Woo. Got it. That's the way. That's the way you want me to get it, right there. There we go. It's number 2 on the old square bill. Well, we've been here about 20 minutes or 30 minutes or something like that, and we've done picked 2 real quick on a square bill, but they've been kind of small. It's probably 14 inches or so. But thought I'd pick a spinnerbait up, roll it around on this point here, and see if couldn't pick a better fish up on it, but I didn't have any luck on it. So I'm gonna pick that square bill back up and see what we can do. So I picked that square bill back up and threw it around a little bit. And I don't know, about 5 minutes later, I ended up breaking the bill on the thing, and I'm not sure what I did. I didn't really slap that thing on the water or anything or hit anything. That bill just broke, so I don't know. We're gonna put another color on. Woo, how's that? There we go. Block the sun. Nope. Alright, there we go. How's that one? On the crawdad, olive craw, or whatever we call this thing. Well, it's about an hour and a half or so since we got here, and we've put 3 or 4 in the boat on that square bill, and I've decided I'm gonna pick a jig up and see if I can't pick one up on it. And since those fish hit moving baits, I'm not crawling that thing on the bottom, I'm swimming that thing. So keep that in mind. Sometimes you can pick a jig up when you're catching them on a square bill or other crankbait and swim that thing around sometimes and pick a few fish up on it. Looking right at me. That. There's one on the old jiggy jig. We're gonna keep fishing. Well, sometimes the pattern's right in front of you, and sometimes you're a little stubborn not to even realize it, especially if you're short on time and you've done put a few fish in the boat, especially on a square bill, and you can cover some water with it. Well, it's time just to pick that thing back up and see what we can do. Fish just a little more. There we go. How's that? Another one on the old square bill. Did y'all see that? Well, that's going to wrap our trip up. We've only got a couple hours that we could be out here, so thanks for stopping by. I'm Rodney with eFishin, and if y'all pick something up, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We'll catch y'all out on the water next time. We're out.